If your dental impressions feel like making Play-Doh molds, it's time for an upgrade. Welcome to the future of dentistry, where intraoral scanners, or IOS, are revolutionizing the game. An IOS is a high-tech device that captures optical impressions, creating a 3D model of your teeth and gums. Think of it like taking an ultra-detailed selfie, but for your mouth. No more goopy, uncomfortable molds that trigger your gag reflex. With iOS, the process is smooth and quick, making it a win for patient comfort. Plus, it saves time, no more waiting for stone casts to set. And for the dentists, iOS simplifies even the trickiest cases, like multiple implants or severe undercuts. If a scan isn't quite right, you can easily retake it without restarting the whole process. But wait, there's more. iOS improves communication between dentists and technicians, ensuring real-time quality checks. And it's a fantastic tool for involving patients in their treatment plans. Sure, capturing deep margins can be tricky, and there's a learning curve, not to mention the initial cost, but the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. iOS accuracy is excellent for single-tooth restorations and short-span bridges, and new scanners are getting even better. Intraoral scanners are here to stay, making dentistry more efficient, comfortable, and precise. Ready to step into the future? Let's dive deeper into how these incredible devices work. Intraoral scanners use a combination of light and sensors to capture the intricate details of your teeth and gums. The scanner emits a light source, often LED or laser, which reflects off the surfaces inside your mouth. These reflections are then captured by the scanner's sensors, which process the data to create a highly accurate digital model. This model can be viewed in real time on a computer screen, allowing both the dentist and the patient to see the results immediately. The precision of intraoral scanners is truly remarkable. They can capture details as fine as a few microns, which is essential for creating dental restorations that fit perfectly. This level of accuracy reduces the need for adjustments and remakes, saving both time and resources. Moreover, the digital models can be easily shared with dental labs, streamlining the workflow and ensuring that the final restorations are of the highest quality. One of the most significant advantages of intraoral scanners is their ability to enhance patient education and engagement. When patients can see a 3D model of their own teeth, it becomes much easier for them to understand their dental issues and the proposed treatments. This visual aid can lead to better communication between the dentist and the patient, resulting in more informed decisions and higher satisfaction with the treatment outcomes. Intraoral scanners are also a game changer for orthodontics. Traditional methods of taking impressions for braces or aligners can be uncomfortable and time-consuming. With intraoral scanners, the process is quick and painless, and the digital impressions can be used to create highly accurate orthodontic appliances. This not only improves the patient experience, but also enhances the effectiveness of the treatment. Another area where intraoral scanners shine is in implant dentistry. Accurate impressions are crucial for the successful placement of dental implants. Intraoral scanners provide the precision needed to ensure that the implants fit perfectly and function as intended. This technology also allows for better planning and simulation of the implant placement, reducing the risk of complications and improving the overall success rate of the procedure. The benefits of intraoral scanners extend beyond the dental office. For patients, the digital impressions mean fewer visits to the dentist and shorter appointment times. The comfort and convenience of the scanning process make it a preferred choice for many. Additionally, the digital records can be stored and accessed easily, making future treatments more efficient and personalized. As with any technology, there are challenges to consider. The initial investment in intraoral scanners can be significant, and there is a learning curve for dental professionals to become proficient in their use. However, the long-term benefits, including improved accuracy, efficiency, and patient satisfaction, make it a worthwhile investment for many dental practices. In conclusion, intraoral scanners are transforming the field of dentistry. They offer a modern, efficient, and comfortable alternative to traditional dental impressions. By embracing this technology, dental professionals can provide better care and enhance the patient experience. So the next time you visit your dentist, don't be surprised if you see an intraoral scanner in action. It's a glimpse into the future of dental care, and it's here to stay. Ready to step into the future? Embrace the revolution of intraoral scanners and experience the next level of dental care today.